Yo, believe me, this rap shit ain't all what you see. I gotta go hard blind, hoping they pay the fee. With no remorse, I give you my life through these bars, just so I can help you recognize that I'm a star. God-given, hard living, I done it all. I can look in their eyes and see they pray I fall. With them fake stares and looks, I done seen them all. I know these suckers want me down, but I stand tall. If you rockin' with me, let me hear you sound off. For my dead homies, gotta let her round off. I'ma home run these other niggas ground balls. A real nigga, that's why I'm never around y'all. Trap star, black card and all of that. If these rats catch me holding, they gon' call it back. Used to sell weed, coke, pills, and a bunch of crack. At 15 became a dope boy, and that's a fact. That's when I had to step back from the game of rap. I'm international doors, fuck where your buzz at. I'm too nice for niggas, that's why they want me clap. Show me love, homie, I'ma show you love back. Never been a hater, ain't about to start now. 50 cal, that'll bring a plane down. Only nigga in the game with his own style. Cross any of my homies, I'ma lay it down. I do it big like Michael Jordan for Carolina, or that fade away from the foul line. In the finals, niggas tryna play me better, get another fix. I'm a shark and these other niggas small fish. They need to realize who it is they fucking with. I done show real niggas how to crush a brick. I fuck with bad bitches, I ain't into sucking dick. Tell a hater to his face, go and suck a dick. Nigga, yo, I'm back in the booth, tell the game listen up. The coast clear, so my homies back to cooking up. Niggas think the gates until some gates just hit them up. Play hard, I put stones in the graveyard. The field hands on deck, so fuck you house niggas. Grind like doors, that'll get your house bigger. I feel some type of way today, I don't know what it is. So when you see me in the streets, just holler what it is. Don't make me take off my belt and whoop you like a kid. These niggas in the game walk around too scary. 2013, they a bunch of boo furries. When niggas see me, I get the whole crew worried. Cause I'm type of nigga, get your crew buried. Tended out the alley, the lights blueberry. So fuck the prosecutor, judge, and the fucking jury. 10 L's back to back and get your mind blurry. Come to Dirty Jersey, you gon' get your jersey dirty. I'm back on my shit just to let you niggas know. I'm straight kicking the door down if you don't open the door. Shout out to the women in the crowd of my show. Shout out to the dope boys getting that dope. No deal, but I'm reaching for 100 to show. Only real dope boys get money to blow. Run up on me, nigga, you gon' get blown back. Good at any hood, nigga, that's a known fact. No collabs, cause I'm eating off my own tracks. Only nigga in the game spend his own stacks. No label law,